Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this 12 South AirFly Pro 2 Deluxe. So this product, you can connect your wireless headphones to any headphone jack. So you can connect your AirPods to these jacks used commonly in air travel, the airplane infotainment system, or at the gym, or even in your car. So heard really great things about this device. Here's the back. This one is the Pro 2 Deluxe, so it comes with the travel bag and international airline adapter. So let's get into it. I'll drop a link in the video description on where you can buy this from. So there we go. A little difficult to get out of the box, but we got there, getting there. All right, there we go. Okay. There we go. Oh my gosh. Okay, just want to make sure I'm not cool. Making sure I'm not throwing anything away. All right, cool. So, thank you for choosing us. You're welcome. All right, we're there. We got it. Here's the AirFly Pro 2 Deluxe. Pair 1 on off switch. Pair 2 transmit receive. Volume up and down button. 3.5 millimeter jack. Here's the quick start guide. Put headphones in pairing mode. Turn on AirFly Pro 2 and then connect to headphone jack. Very cool. Nice carrying pouch. And included inside the pouch is this adapter for international flights. Really handy. And here's the USB-C, USB-A to USB-C charging cable included. So really nice. Get rid of this. Very excited to use this on a trip coming up. Cool. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of this in the comment section below. Hope you're all doing well. And I'll catch you all for the next unboxing video. Later.